This is a clip from our Walla Walla episode that explains all about Merlot. Here we go.
While many wineries in Walla Walla source grapes from all over the state, the grapes grown in Walla Walla itself are 95% red. And while Cabernet is technically the most popular, today I want to talk a bit more about Merlot. Because there is nowhere else in the New World making as much high-quality, dynamic Merlot as here in Washington. There are a whole lot of misconceptions about Merlot, most stemming from a famous line in the movie Sideways, "I am not drinking any Merlot," which, if you've seen the movie, is ironic because Miles' prized wine he drinks in the diner scene is actually a Merlot.
Surprise.
Merlot's the backbone to some of the most famous wines on the planet. One of the most expensive wines ever sold was Merlot-based, a 1947 Cheval Blanc from Bordeaux for $304,000. And many times, Merlot is a better alternative to Cabernet. It tends to be cheaper than the more in-demand Cabernet at the same quality level, similar in style to Cabernet, and ready to drink sooner than Cabernet. Merlot has a medium plus body, fairly high tannins, and medium acidity. When I think of Merlot, I tend to think of plums, dark cherries and raspberries, green herbs, violet, blackberries, and coffee, cedar, and vanilla from oak aging, which it usually has. A lot of this is similar to Cabernet, but where Merlot is different is in the mouthfeel. It's got slightly lower acid and tannin than Cabernet, which means a rich, plush, soft wine that's ready to drink earlier. But don't be fooled. Many Merlots are incredibly age-worthy with a grace and elegance that even Miles would approve of.
If you want to know more about this region and Merlot, make sure to check out our full Walla Walla episode and don't forget to subscribe.